Chapter 4 The Road Through the Forest. Dorothy and Scarecrow walked along the yellow brick road. The road was smooth and bright. The sun shone warmly and the air was fresh. Dorothy felt happy to have a friend. They talked quietly as they walked and enjoyed the flowers and the beach around them. Soon they came of dark forest. The trees were tall and thick. Their leaves made strange shadows. Dorothy felt nervous. The Scarecrow told her not to worry and said he could protect her. They talked slowly, listened to sounds of the forest. The air smelled of flowers and earth. They saw birds flying all around them and squirrels running on the trees. After some time, they came out of the forest and then found themselves in the one green flat. In the distance, they could see a tall castle made of shining green glass. Dorothy felt amazing the Scarecrow told her it was the Emerald City. Dorothy knew how to keep going to meet the wizard. She heard totally listening. He did the walk on the Scarecrow with Scarecrow.